Welcome to the final lecture of our regular expression section. To conclude, we will tackle one of the most practical applications of regex: extracting data from unstructured text, specifically HTML, a process often called web scraping. We will see how to use the components we've learned to pull out links and titles. 1. Defining the target data. Let's assume we have a simple block of HTML containing a few anchor tags, href tags. Our goal is to extract the href value, which is the link target, and the text between the opening and closing tags, which is the link title. We will use one powerful pattern to extract both pieces of information simultaneously. 2. The extraction pattern. This pattern may look intimidating, but it's just a combination of concepts we've learned. The parentheses around the link value and the title text create capturing groups. When you use our e.findAll parenthesis with capturing groups, it returns a list of tuples, where each tuple contains the strings matched by those groups. 3. Executing the extraction. When we run our e.findAll parenthesis on the HTML using our pattern, it successfully extracts a list of tuples. The first element of each tuple is the href link, and the second is the text title. This shows the power of combining quantifiers, character sets, and capturing groups for complex data extraction like web scraping. To summarize, you've mastered regular expressions, a highly valuable tool for text processing. Our next module shifts focus entirely to managing and manipulating time, which is critical for logging, scheduling, and performance measurement. Our next lecture 25.01, Date and Time. See you there.